Today we'll be looking at this particular Canva site. Let me just show you the preview real quick. So this is what the desktop version looks like. Nice and clean. This is for a donut shop or a bakery that specializes in selling donuts. Let me also show you the mobile version. So going from the top here and going all the way down, fully optimized. All right, so if you don't know how to do this in Canva, I can walk you through so you can understand exactly how this was set up. And if you already know how to build out your own Canva sites, then just to be able to see something like this is really good. All right, so as usual, I don't build sites through templates. Canva is very, very good with templates, and if you want to start there, then you can go right ahead. But I feel like the templates sometimes they lock you in too much, and so if you have ideas, then you just need to know what to do, and then you can build it out, on your own. So with that said, let me just quickly walk you through this. For this section here, it is just a background image, nothing special. I then added the elements, just an illustration, heading, subheading, and a button, right? Because all of these elements are centered, then when you switch to the mobile version, you'll see that they'll stay in the center, and because we have resize on mobile turned on, they will just be resized automatically. Also, the positioning of these elements determines the size of the background when you switch. Coming down to this section here, it's pretty basic. We just have a backdrop for this image, and this is a frame. I use one of the default frame shapes. You could have created your own frame and bring in here as well to be a little bit more dynamic, but you can get away with this. Then I added the heading, subheading, and the button on the left side. So again, whatever is on the left is going to come on the top, and whatever is on the right is going to come on the bottom when you go to your mobile. So here we are with our mobile version just for this section. Scrolling down, this again is pretty simple. The most important part about this is that you group the image and the text here so that they function as one object. So now that we have one object, then two, then one, how do you think the mobile is going to show? If I go to the preview, go to the mobile, scroll down, you will see we have the first object, then left, then right, and then the last object. So you just want to be able to remember those types of layouts in your mind when you're designing the sections on desktop, and you can sort of picture how it will be showing on mobile. This section down here, I wanted it to just be full width with a really nice vibrant image, and then we just added in the subtitle, the main title, and a button. These buttons, again, they'll be linked to external pages that you can use to collect information or to do further processing. Finally, this is the review section. Now, because this is a donut shop, you technically, at least for this design, I don't want to display the words. I'd rather show the images of people eating the donut or interacting with the donuts, right? So I opted to just show 5-star, then show the donuts by themselves. And this is what the mobile version of that section looks like. So here we have that full spread, and then our review section. So as you can see, there's not much technically going on here, but it is simple. It looks really luxurious. It makes you feel like you want a donut. And if you have a business that does something like this, you can go ahead and create your Canva site to look just this beautiful, right? If you don't want to create the site yourself, you can always go ahead and get this template from my store, imaginedigitalstore.com, or you can just, go over this video and try to do it yourself. Either way, don't sleep on the fact that you can start promoting your business right now. You can start collecting leads right now just by having a simple Canva site like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.